everyone, welcome to the new video with a new chapter, Nouns Number. So let's begin the chapter to know more about it. Chapter 5, Nouns Number. So in this chapter, you will learn singular number, plural number, formation of plural nouns कैसे होती है. The nouns have two numbers, singular and plural. So singular number. A noun is said to be singular if it refers to one thing like ball, book, chair, pen, pencil, cat, dog, boy, girl, etc. कोई भी चीज एक होती है तो वो सिंगुलर होती है. सिंगुलर मीन्स सिंगल. Plural number. A noun is said to be plural तब होता है if it refers to more than one thing, एक से ज्यादा, like books, balls, chairs, pens, cats, dogs, boys, girls, etc. Formation of plural nouns कैसे बनाते हैं? As a general rule, जो plural of the noun is formed किया जाता है by adding s, उसमें हम ऐड करते हैं to the singular form. Arm becomes arms, bird become birds, dog become dogs, horse become horses. But this rule does not apply in the following cases में apply नहीं होता है. To form the plural of the noun ending in x, x, ss, ch, sh, we add, हम add करते हैं es. Ass become asses, branch become branches, bus become buses, dress become dresses, inch become inches, bench become benches, brush become brushes, bush become bushes, fox become foxes, match become match, box become boxes, bunch become bunches, class become classes, gas become gases, tax become taxes. To form the plural of a noun ending in y से end हो रहा हो with a consonant है उससे पहले we change the y to I and add es. Like army, armies, city, cities, baby, babies, country, countries, body, bodies, duty, duties. But to form the plural of the noun, अगर हमें plural बनाना है noun का ending in y with the vowel उससे पहले लग रहा है तो हम add करते हैं s only. Boy become boys, day become days, donkey become donkeys, monkey become monkeys, play, plays, key, cut. keys. To form the plural of the noun अगर हमें बनाना है ending in o तो हम generally add करते हैं es. Buffalo become buffaloes, eco become ecos, hero become heroes, mango become mangoes, negro negroes, potato potatoes. The following words are an exception भी है इस rule का. Radio become radios, bamboo become bamboos, cuckoo become cuckoos. To form the plural of the noun जो end होता है f में we usually change करते हैं f और fe को ves में. Calf become calves, knife become knives, leaf become leaves, life become lives, self become selves, wolf become wolves. Now, but some exceptions भी हैं. Chief become chiefs, dwarf become dwarfs, hoof become hoofs. Some nouns they have irregular plurals भी हैं. Child become children, women become women, tooth become teeth, ox become oxen, foot become feet, louse become lies, men become men, goose become geese, and mouse become mice. Now, a compound noun generally form करता है plural by adding s to the principal word. Daughters-in-law, fathers-in-law, passers-by, sons-in-law, stepdaughters, maidservants. But the following compound nouns जो हैं वो एक double plural भी लेते हैं, like man servant, men servant, women teacher, women servant, women servant. Note: Some nouns they have same form for the singular and the plural. कुछ nouns होते हैं उनकी same form होती है for the singular and the plural. Deer, sheep, fish, dozen, score, 100,000. Some nouns they have a plural form but always वो singular verb लेते हैं. Form उनकी plural है, verb वो singular लेते हैं. News, civics, politics, physics, mathematics. This news is true. Physics is the difficult subject. Some nouns are always used in plural form में use होते हैं. Thanks, scissors, trousers, pants, measles, mums. My thanks are to you all. My scissors were blunt. Now it's time to answer. Tick the correct option. Numbers of the nouns. Numbers of the nouns जो हैं कितने होते हैं? 2. The singular number stands for dash thing, one thing. We generally make plurals. हम plurals बनाते हैं तीनों में से कुछ by adding s. Now change the following into for nouns को हमें change करना है. Ox become oxen. Photo become photos. Goose become geese, potato become potatoes, story become stories, knife become knives, fox become foxes, leaf become leaves. Now write the following sentences plural subject के साथ हमें लिखना है. The child is playing. तो children are playing. The ox is grazing in the field. Oxen are grazing in the field. A policeman caught the thief. Policemen caught the thieves. So like this, you have to change them into plural subject. I hope you all have understood that chapter. Go through it again. Do the exercises carefully. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.